Welcome to our channel. Streaming sports on Android TV requires using official apps and services. Follow these step-by-step instructions for legitimate sports coverage. Step 1. Download the ESPN app from the Google Play Store. Sign in with your TV provider or subscribe to ESPN Plus for additional content. Step 2. Install DAZN for boxing, MMA, and international sports. It's optimized for Android TV with excellent streaming quality. Step 3. Subscribe to YouTube TV, which offers excellent sports coverage including ESPN, FS1, regional sports networks, and unlimited DVR for games. Step 4. Try Fubo TV, which emphasizes sports with more channels than most competitors. It's particularly strong for soccer coverage. Step 5. Download league apps like NFL, NBA, MLB, NHL, or MLS. These provide official streams, highlights, and exclusive content. Step 6. Install Sling TV with the Sports Extra package for affordable access to multiple sports networks without a cable subscription. Step 7. For international sports, try services like Willow TV for cricket or Flow Sports for niche sports not covered by mainstream providers. Step 8. Add free options like Pluto TV sports channels for 24/7 sports news and classic content. Legal streaming provides reliable access without risking malware or poor quality streams from unofficial sources. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.